In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on your Honda Pilot. This is located on the front of the vehicle, on the front bumper. Let's get started. On either side of the bracket is a Phillips head screw. We'll remove those. And we'll remove that. We're going to wipe down any of the dirt and debris off of here. That way we have a clean mounting surface. On the front side of the bracket, we see an arrow and it says up. On the side, we can see the same profile as the front of the bumper. We're going to go ahead and line that up and find our screw holes. We can install our screws. You want to be very careful not to over tighten these. Just going into the bumper cover. Now you can install your license plate.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.